Hi guys, welcome, and this is Ride. Let's open the DJI Osmo Action 4, and we have here the Adventure Combo. So I just got this from DJI. Now the specs from the box are here. You can take a look at that and you can pause anytime. And now let's go straight to the unboxing mode. So we're opening this long box right here. So this is the Adventure Combo. So we have this two separate boxes, and we have here the 1.5 meter DJI Osmo extension rod. So let's take that away, and this is 1.5 meters when extended. Let's open this first box, and as we open it, we have this type C to type C connector, and we're also opening up, this is the Osmo quick release magnetic adapter mount. So this is magnetic and quick release you used to attach. And also we have here the paperwork. So we have the quick start guide, user manual, and of course one of the favorite things that we need is the DJI sticker. So you can see that there. Awesome. So we're gonna keep that. I'm gonna stick that somewhere else. And also we have here this lens hood and the anti-slip pad. So we're using that. Set that aside, and let's open this thing. This is the multifunctional battery case, so it can hold 3 batteries. So the DJI batteries for this is, they're calling it the DJI Extreme battery, so you can hold 3 of that on that battery case. So it's good. And let's open this other box. So we have here the unit. Let's set it aside, and here is the Osmo horizontal vertical protective frame. So this is what we use to protect the DJI Osmo Action Cam, and also this is for mounting the Action Cam vertically and horizontally. And also we have the Osmo locking screws right here, and also the extra Osmo quick release magnetic adapter mount. So we have 2 of those in the Adventure Combo. And we have here the Osmo Action Curve adhesive base. So this is the contents of the box. And now for the main event, the DJI Osmo Action 4. So we have this lens cover and the shutter record button, the speaker, the rear touchscreen, the quick release slots, and the battery compartment release button. And we also have here the USB-C port button, and as you open that, you can find the USB-C port right there for charging and for microphone and other functions. We have the quick switch button, and as we turn it around, we have here the battery compartment release buttons. So when you open that, you can see the battery and SD card compartment as well. Let's close that. So this is the DJI Osmo Action 4. This is waterproof up to 18 meters. And we have here a notice before we get this temporary lens cover. So we're peeling that off. And we have here the lens. So this has 1/1.3 inch image sensor, 4K 120 FPS maximum resolution, 10-bit color performance, and also it has the D-Log M color mode, 155 degrees ultra wide field of view. This is the DJI Osmo Action 4. So the Adventure Combo contents are this. We have here the multifunctional battery case, of course the 1.5 meter rod, the Osmo horizontal vertical protective case, and also the DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. We have here, and we have also the Osmo locking screws, the quick release magnetic adapter mounts, and other accessories, adhesive base, and all. So that is the DJI Osmo Adventure Combo contents. And now let's try setting up the Action 4. And we start by opening up the battery slot. And then we're gonna try inserting the compatible micro SD in the slot right there. Also, we open the multifunctional battery case and get the battery out of there. Now we have here the Type-C charging port used for charging the case. So we insert the battery into the compartment and it fits. And we try also inserting or installing the horizontal and vertical protective case. So we're getting the Osmo Action 4 in the protective case and we're locking it. So it makes the Osmo Action 4 safe. And let's try powering it on. As you power on the camera for the first time, it will ask you what language you use, and after pressing that, you have this QR code. The DJI Osmo Action Cam can be activated by downloading the DJI Mimo app, and then we use the quick release magnetic adapter, so it can be used vertically or horizontally. It has a strong magnetic magnet that makes the Action 4 secure, so it's reliable as you are mounting it to a tripod or to anything. And make sure it is fitted properly for it not to fall. So it's very strong. And we mount it up with a 1.5 meter extension rod. Let's check that out. We hold the screw and we screw that in the mount. And we try setting up the Osmo Action 4 on the mount. We're making sure it's fitted properly. So we're using it horizontally like this. And we're tightening it up. So there you go. The Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo. And the easy grip. Tell me what you think about this Action 4 and put it on the comments section below. Tell me what you think. And also, one bonus thing about the battery compartment is that as you can see, it can also serve as micro SD holder. So you have the micro SD holder. That's the DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo. This is Rye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.